Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your Instagram account to creator account. It is really easy and simple. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Instagram. Now click your profile icon on bottom right, click here. Now all you have to do is click those straight three lines on top of your right. Click here and you can see the option settings here. Click there and scroll down a little bit. You can see the option account here. Click on that option and scroll down. Now you can see the option switch account type. All you have to do is select this option, and on bottom you can see the option switch to creator account. Select that one and select switch. Now your account has been switched to creator option. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel.